Hey guys, it's RV Cooking with Luke. Today we're doing Cajun cheddar, chicken, sliders. Let's go. Today we are cooking in a Grand Design Momentum 29 GO. Business in the front. Party in the back. Time to Cajun these bad boys up. We're gonna cut up some iceberg lettuce. We're gonna cut up some tomatoes. Remember folks, always salt your tomatoes. Brioche buns. Basil, and a very sad looking mint. All right, we're gonna assemble the watermelon salad. So cucumbers. Red onion. We got limes, we're gonna squeeze them in. We need that lime juice. Stir it up. Stir it up.
What do they call you, Luke?
The cheddar spreader. Your words of affirmation are helping here, man. Not again! This is so good. Those Cajun cheddar chicken sliders make an awesome snack when it's sunny out and you're camping. I hope you guys enjoyed.